So, children, so this boy was telling that I can't do it. I cannot just do it. So, you have to follow whatever your parents tell you. You have to listen to them because they tell you for your good being. Okay, children? Now, next paragraph. Oh, yes, you can, said the uncle. Well, I don't want to. Not just now, said the little boy. So, what little boy said that? Well, I don't want to. Not just now. Now I can't do that work. What uncle said? Yes, you can. So uncle encouraged the boy that you can do this work. Nicely you can do this work. But that boy was not ready to listen to uncle. But you must, said his uncle. What is uncle said? You must. Means you must do that work. It is compulsory for you to do that. It is compulsory for you to do that work. Not just now, said the little boy. So, I will not do it now. Okay, this boy is telling that I will not do it now. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty. Naughty means mischievous. Don't be mischievous. But go and do the work. But go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. So what this boy is telling that? Don't be lazy. Don't be mischievous. Don't give me back answer. But go at once and do your work. This is an order. Order means request. Now this uncle is requesting the boy to do the work. Get up and go. But this boy is not ready to listen to his uncle. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. Now, hard-working man, he always keep himself busy with some or the other work. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. So he kept himself busy. He went to do his work in other room. But this child, this boy, was just sitting. After telling him so many things by his uncle, he did not listen. But the little boy sat still. Still means he just sat there. And his face was like a crying mood. His face became like a crying mood. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. Unfair means this uncle was not good to him. He felt that his uncle was not good to him. His chin began to wobble. Wobble, chin. Now, you know your chin. Okay, children? Chin means what? So his chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. So this chin started shaking, started moving from side to side, and he had a lump in his throat. Lump. Lump means something solid is there in the throat. And his eyes welled up. Welled up means tears started coming from his eyes. What started coming? Tears. And this boy started crying. Now, why this boy started crying? Because his uncle gave him the order to go and work in the garden. But this boy was not ready to listen to his uncle. Uncle said many times, but this boy was not ready to listen. So, wobble means chin. His chin started to wobble. Wobble means to shake. And lump. Lump means something solid was there in the throat. He felt that something solid is there in the throat, and his eyes filled up. Filled up means tears started coming from his eyes. That means this boy started crying. Next paragraph. Just then, his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? So, what this mother is telling that? Little boy, why are you crying? What happened? Why are you so unhappy? So, what is the opposite of unhappy? Happy. What is the opposite of unhappy? Happy. And what is the meaning of unhappy? Sad. Unhappy meaning sad. Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. So he said the reason to his mother that uncle told me to weed the garden. That means to clean the garden. This is the reason, and I felt like crying. Next part. Oh, said his mother, what fun that will be. So his mother encouraged this little boy that there is fun in cleaning the garden. I love to weed and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed? So, fine day means a very beautiful day, a pleasant day. So, this mother is asking the boy, can I come with you? Can I help you in cleaning the garden? Then this boy is telling, why? Yes, said the boy. First he said, why? Why you're coming with me? And afterwards this boy said, yes, come with me. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. So what his mother said that? Come, let's do it now. So let's go in the garden and start cleaning the garden. So children, what is the meaning of weeding? Weeding means removing unwanted plants and cleaning the garden. Okay children? Then what is the meaning of discipline? That means to obey rules. Discipline means to obey rules. And what is the meaning of cottage? Cottage means a small house. Cottage means a small house. Now these small houses, where you find these small houses? In villages. Where you find this? In villages. Then children, what is the meaning of naughty, mischievous? Naughty means mischievous. So this mother said, come, let's do it now, said his mother. Last paragraph. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully, and I had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. So, mother and the son, they were in the garden and they were cleaning the garden. And they had a very good time with each other. They spent a very good time together. They smiled, they made a jokes, they cracked jokes. Then they started chatting. Chatting means talking on a different topic and laughing on different jokes. So same way children, you should spend time with your parents. They are they are the God's gift. Never hurt your parents, never back answer your parents. So when they are not well, you should take good care of your parents. Okay children? So on this page, first paragraph, there is a word O and there is one sign. What is that sign called? Exclamatory mark. That sign is called exclamatory mark. O. O-H. O. Then that sign is there. That sign is called exclamatory mark. So always listen to your parents, to your elders and to your teachers. So if anyone tells you good advice, you should listen to them and you should act accordingly. Because why they tell you this advice is for your good, for your well-being. In future, it is going to help you. For that reason, your parents, your teachers, they are telling you a good advice. You should listen to them. Okay, children? Understood this lesson? So now tell me the meanings of this word cottage. Cottage means small house. And where you find this cottage? In the villages. Then manure. What is manure? A cow dung is used as a manure for the plants. Then prune. Prune means to give a proper shape and removing dead and unwanted plants and helping them to grow. Then welled up. Welled up means filled with tears, that is crying. So children, you have to do one small homework. You have to write 3-4 lines on your parents and have you spend your time with your parents. You have to write this in your rough book or whichever book you have made for all the subjects writing. Okay, children? Wash your hands, take care, don't go out, stay home, stay safe, and wash your hands with any soap for 20 seconds. Okay, children? Hope you have understood this lesson. If you have any doubt, any queries, please post it on the students portal. I will try to solve these doubts. Okay, children? Till then, take care. Goodbye. Good day.